Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is a video that I'm so excited about. I'm gonna look crazy, but y'all are gonna deal with it. So let's go ahead and play our intro. And now we are going to get to the good stuff. So today I got in Laura Lee's new palettes. We have got our Party Animal and our Boss Babe. We are going to do Party on one side, Professional on the other, so we can cover both palettes, get you a solid review, and these are going to be quick tutorials so that we don't spend an hour going over these palettes, but you'll get to see what both of them can do individually, and later on we'll see what they can do together. But today we're going to do Party over here, Office over here, and here is the packaging. Y'all, this is so cute. It says it's a party over here and hustle hard on this side, and it is just so gorgeous. So to get these out, you take this little ribbon right here and you just pull it out like a drawer, and you've got your palette. So we are actually going to start with the Boss Babe palette so that we can do a nice neutral pretty eye, and then we're going to move on to our Party and see what we can do. And pardon the noise if you can hear it in the background. Sounds like my roommate picked the perfect time to move furniture, because of course, but that's fine. We're going to truck right along. So the palettes both have a mirror in them. Boss Babe has a more professional front, all your information on the back. This is so cute. I just love the rose gold, and you've got all your colors in here. It looks like my clocked out is a little busted, but that's all right. So we are going to start with Deadline right here and use this as our transition shade. And be proud of me. You're going to see my ratchet nails again because I did pre-record a lot, but I got my nails done and they look so much better now. So we're just going to toss this into the crease, and holy crap, that is so pigmented. So definitely be careful with these. Just a heads up. It is so gorgeous, but it is also so stinking pigmented. I barely even touched in the palette and there was hardly any fallout, and I still got so much pigment on that first swipe. So we're just going to go straight from this into 9 to 5. We take this on the same brush and lay it down in the crease too, but hit it off a couple extra times. And there's still so much pigment, y'all. This is crazy. Not complaining though. Like, I love some good pigment. And now I just know to be careful when I go into these colors. So we have got that laid down in the crease, and we're going to take Clocked Out right here. This is our dark shade, and we're just going to tap into it. And like I do with my dark shades, we are going to press into the outer corner, deepen it up pretty intensely. And this just lays our color down. And once we have got it pressed in how we want it, we are going to take the brush and we are going to blend it in so that it looks a little bit better, obviously more blended, and blend it towards the center of the lid so we can get everything that we want. And that's going to be our crease. So next I'm going to go ahead and take this smaller brush and go into CEO right here, and I'm going to pack this into the front half of my lid just like so. I love Laura Lee's formula because you can use it dry and still get a really good color payoff. And it's even easier if you just take it on your finger and press it onto the lid. And in an effort, we are going to attempt with both of these to use every color in the palette. So we're going to take Hustler right here. This is the prettiest yellow gold I think I've ever seen. And we are going to press this into the second outer half of the lid, not quite all the way over, and add that touch of gold into the look. And oh my gosh, you guys, that is so pretty. So now, we're just all over the place. We are going to take On the Grind, this is our light metallic, on a flatter brush and pop this into our inner corner because it looks like it's a pretty good highlight shade. And also pop it onto the brow bone, making sure to blend it out. And then taking that same brush, we're going to go into 9 to 5. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a good red in my lower lash line. And just pop this down here. And using my fluffy brush, I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit. And we're done. So here is our look with Boss Babe right here. This is a quick, easy look. I wanted to incorporate every single color. And we accomplished our goal. So now we are going to go into Party Animal, which I'm so excited about. Okay, I know I play in color a lot here, but in my day-to-day life, I never play in color. Let's be real. Boss Babe will be probably my daily because I do work in an office, and I'm actually going for a big conference this week, and I'll be using Boss Babe like crazy, even though my heart will scream for Party Animal the whole time I'm gone. So over here is going to be a little bit different. We are going to start out with, oh, it's so hard to pick. Okay, we're going to start out with Drinks right here. This is our orange. And this is in itself a super unique shade. And we are going to put this into the crease. And we're also going to scoot the camera up so you can see it just a little bit better. And we're going to start here. It looks like these are still pigmented, but you do have to blend them out just a tiny, or not blend them out, but build them up just a little bit more, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. If I need a shade that won't go crazy, it is always going to be my bright colors. I would much rather build those up than have this bright orange explode everywhere with no control over it. So we are just going to continue to build this up, and I think I've got it almost right where I want it, and that looks good to me. Then on a different brush, we're gonna take It's a Party right here. This is kind of a yellow green, and we're gonna blend around the edges of Drinks with that. This will get us that yellow, but not too intensely. But it will also blend out that orange so we don't have any harsh lines at all, like so. Then, we're using all the brushes today. We're gonna take Hungover. This is a super dark purple with a little bit of shimmer. It's more of a satin shade. And we're going to stamp this into our outer corner, just like so. Remember what we did earlier with our dark brown. And we're going to stamp this in, shape it out a little bit. And then we're going to use one of our fluffy brushes to blend it in and over. And this is going to change kind of the whole dynamic of the look. So we're just going to blend and blend and blend and make this all connect, just like so. Our next step is going to be to take my favorite packing brush and bottoms up. This is so pretty. Like, you have to see it. It's so shiny. I don't know if it's really translating on camera, but we're gonna say if it transfers onto the eye. Oh, and it does. Okay, so this is a super glittery hot pink. Like, this just screams Barbie when I look at it. And we're just gonna stamp this onto the eyelid, making sure it is super pigmented. Also gonna take my finger just to get a second layer in. Oh, and y'all, this is so pretty. We're gonna make sure we get this all the way into this inner corner, because over here we are gonna do a touch of pink instead of our usual inner corner highlight. And now, since I can see my mistakes, we're gonna blend out right here and get this a little more solid and together, and try to get these harsh lines to go away. Okay, so for our lower lash line, I told y'all we're using every color, and your girl ain't playing. We are gonna take this little brush. It is a Morphe G19, and we're gonna take Damage Control. This is a teal, and we are gonna go all the way across the inner part of our lower lash line, just like so, and make sure this is built up down here. And ooh, that's pretty. And then we're gonna take Karaoke. This is a really nice cobalt blue, and we are gonna drag it from the outer corner into that lighter blue. Just like that. Okay, so now, because we've made a little bit of a mess, we're gonna take Drinks again on the same brush we used our orange on earlier, and we are gonna add some orange back into the top of this look. This will help blend out the purple, make everything make sense a little bit more. And then on our other smaller brush, which I believe is right here, we're gonna take It's a Party, and we are gonna blend out these bottom shadows just a little bit. Okay, so now that we look sufficiently crazy, I'm gonna go do liner and lashes and lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are back. I look crazy, but it's fine because we tested both palettes. So this look is definitely not my best work, but I wanted y'all to see every color, see that they're super pigmented. They do work well together, probably not all 6 at one time, but they work well together. Then over here, we've got a little more of my everyday kind of look. This is the kind of thing that I wear to work when I wear makeup to work, which isn't often because I really suck at remembering to put my makeup on in the morning. But we have got the review, my first review of both of these, and I'm so excited to finally have my hands on them. I'm so excited to share them with y'all. And just a quick announcement for the end of the video. Laura Lee Los Angeles announced that the Party Animal palette, your bright colors, will be in the August Boxy Charm, which means 2 things. A ton of people are going to get to try out this palette. It is incredible. And it also means that since I already have this one and I'm going to get another one, this is going to be a part of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. It is still going. I know I'm really far from 5,000, but y'all could get me there quicker, right? So this will be a big part of the giveaway. I think I will have another palette in it. I will let y'all know in a future video, but this will be in the giveaway. It will also be in everybody's August Boxy Charm, so get excited. But yeah, these are amazing palettes. I love Laura Lee's formula. Y'all know I was a huge fan of Cat's Pajamas and even more of Nudie Patootie, to the point I've actually used it for bridal makeup on people. So it's wonderful. These formulas are definitely up to par, and I'm so excited to be posting this video. And real talk, there's going to be this one. I'm filming another one. I'm about to take this off and film you one more video today. So we will have those, and then everything for 2 weeks will be pre-recorded. I will not even be here, so I won't be able to make any more videos for a little while. So we have got our week planned out. We're gonna have another video tomorrow, and we had one this morning. I really think, even with my travels happening, I'm keeping up my end of the bargain here, guys. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.